Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to make these lotus stuffed cookies. Quick baking hack for all bakers. Make sure all of the ingredients are cold, so the things that are refrigerated like the unsalted butter, the egg and so on. This helps us prevent so much time wastage from having to put the batter back into the fridge. When you're mixing, make sure you don't over mix, because then the butter will become overly softened, and once they're in the oven they will spread too much. You don't want a big mess, so hopefully your mixture should be stiff, just like you can see here, and just continue to add in the rest of your ingredients. In terms of the chocolate, the extra biscuits and the Lotus Biscoff spread, what I've shown you here is just a guide, so the 100 grams of each chocolate and so on, but it's completely up to you in what you want to use. As you take the cookies out of the oven, I like to add in some Lotus biscuits just for that extra lotusy taste. I like to do this when they are hot so that they stay within the cookies. If you would like your cookies to be extra lotusy, you can add on some melted spread. So this is just the Lotus Biscoff spread. I really like using this in opposed to, the caramel drizzle and the sauce, because it just enables it to set perfectly. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!